In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import NinjaTrader Workspace. If you've ever set up charts, tabs, and layouts exactly the way you like, and wished you could bring that setup onto another machine or restore it later, importing a workspace is the way to go. A workspace is simply a saved arrangement of your windows, indicators, and layouts in NinjaTrader, so importing one lets you get up and running fast with a familiar environment. Start by launching NinjaTrader and heading to the Control Center. This is the main hub of the platform where you manage connections, tools, and settings. If you don't see it right away, check your taskbar or minimize other windows. The Control Center is the central window that stays open while you work. At the top of the Control Center, look for the menu bar and click Workspaces. This menu is where you can create, save, switch, and manage all of your layouts. We're focused on bringing an existing workspace file into NinjaTrader, so in that Workspaces menu, choose Import. Selecting Import tells NinjaTrader you want to bring in a workspace file that was previously saved or shared. A standard file dialog will open. Here, navigate to where your workspace file is stored on your computer. Workspace files are usually .xml files. Common places to check include your Downloads folder if you just received the file, your desktop if you saved it there, or any dedicated trading or backups folder you use. If you don't immediately see the file, make sure the file type filter isn't hiding .xml files. Also, ensure you're selecting the actual workspace file and not a compressed folder. If it came in a zip, extract it first so you can select the .xml. Click the workspace file once to highlight it, then choose Open. NinjaTrader will begin the import process right away. Depending on the size and complexity of the workspace, this may take a moment. Once it's done, the imported workspace should appear in your Workspaces list in the Control Center. That's your confirmation that the file was recognized and added successfully. If you imported a workspace with the same name as one you already have, NinjaTrader may show both entries or prompt you depending on your version and settings. In any case, look for the newly added name in the list. If you don't see it, double-check that the file you imported was a valid NinjaTrader workspace, XML, and try again. And that's all there is to it. Open NinjaTrader, go to the Control Center, click Workspaces, choose Import. Select your .xml, and the workspace appears in your list, ready for you to use.